Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. Day 19 to vlog every day in April. It's me, Steve. I'm back, and today I'm going to teach you how to shoot simple slow motion in a Canon M50. I hope everyone's having a really relaxing day. So relaxed you could like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But I'm having a pretty good afternoon as well. I got my bubbles back. Ooh. Oh, not bad. And I'm feeling good. So, let me get my camera. One sec. Alright, depending on the camera that you have, there's multiple ways you can shoot slow motion. On my Sony a7 III, I would have to shoot in video mode 120 frames per second and then put that video into an iMovie session that is already at about 30 or 24 frames per second. It's sort of manual, and I'm not teaching that right now. Today I'm simply teaching you how to shoot simple slow motion in your Canon M50. So what do you have to do? Alright, first things first, make sure your Canon is in video mode. So to do that, you just set your setting right here to the little video icon, the little video camera, and that means you're in video mode. Second thing you want to do, number two, you want to go into your camera settings. How do you do that? Well, right here, you click on menu, and you want to be in the red camera section, page 1, movie record quality. Right now, I'm in full HD at 60 frames per second. What I want to do is go in here, go down to high frame rate. I want to enable it, back out with menu, and now you'll see it's HD at 119.9 frames per second. That's pretty much 120 frames per second. Back out again. Right now, my camera is ready to shoot in slow motion. So all I have to do now is hit the shutter button and record. So that's what I'll do. I'll take a quick video, step back a little bit, and here we go. Bang. Alright, I got it. So I will import this video into my iMovie session, but I could also show you on my camera right now. So if I go into my pictures, right here, this is the video I just took, and you'll see that it's in slow motion already. See how slow it's moving? Barely moving at all. And there it goes, really slow. Really slow. And it's going so slow that, you know, I'm not gonna let it play out all the way. But that's pretty much it. So now you know how to shoot slow motion on the Canon M50. It's really easy. Like I said, there's 2 steps. You have to make sure you're in video recording mode, like I showed you, and then you just go into your settings. You go into red camera setting, page 1, movie record quality, you enable it. That will automatically enable your Canon M50 to shoot video in 120 frames per second. Shoot all the video you want of whatever you want. When you look at it in your camera and when you put it on your computer, it's already going to be slow motion. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Please, again, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, come back, leave comments, leave questions, tell me what you want to see. Tell me how your day was. Hopefully everyone's days were great. It's Monday. Happy Monday. We'll be at Friday soon. And that's all I have for today. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll have to brainstorm. But until then, stay safe, be cool. Peace.